Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, how are you? I am coming in front of you after long distance. Now you know we are going with a great problem, that corona pandemic. So we are always in danger and we are always in tension too. Now, dear student, come to our lesson. Now I am your teacher, Rita Shiraji, Assistant Teacher English, Kapashgola City Corporation Girls High School, Chattogram. Today our class for class 9, subject English second paper, topic articles, part 1. Dear students, look at the picture. I think all of you know it's an apple. So we can say some sentence with this picture. Anas ate an apple. It was a red apple. The apple was very sweet. The above 3 sentences have colored word A and D. These words are articles. Now we will know learning outcomes of our lesson today. Students will know what is article. What different types of articles are there in English? What role do articles play in a sentence? Now we will know what is article. An article is a word that is used before a noun to show whether the noun refers to something specific or not. A and D are the articles. A and N are indefinite articles. Indefinite means not specific. Usually we use A and N to talk about not specific nouns. The is the definite article. Usually we use the to talk about specific nouns. Articles only modify nouns. Here are some examples. I have a car. This is right. I have a nice skirt. This is also right. I have a nice. This is wrong. So, articles only modify nouns. Different uses of A and N. A, number 1. Observe the following words that have taken A before them. A girl, a boy, a pen, a ball, a bed, a field, a school, a district, a country, a continent, a box, a book, a student, a teacher, a word. The words that begin with a consonant sound take the article A in front of them. 2. Guess why the following words that taken an before them. An ox, an apple, you can see with me, an umbrella, an orange, an independent country. Students, look the lesson with me. An interesting film, an eye, an enemy, and S. So, N is used before the words that begin with a vowel sound. 3. Observe the following words that have taken an before them. An honest person, an here, an hour, and any. In the above box, there are some words that begin with consonant, but those consonants have a vowel sound. Therefore, they take an before them instead of a. Now, number 4. Why do the following words take a before them? Here some examples for you. Look at me. Look the lessons with me. A university, a UE, a European, a useful report, a unit, a unique opportunity. Though the words in the above box begin with a vowel, they are pronounced like a consonant sound. So, instead of an, a is used before those words. So, we can see here that the words which begin with a vowel, they are pronounced like a consonant sound. Then, instead of an, a is used before those words. Now, here a oblique n has been used to generalize student, Now, rules number 5. What about the following words? A one-eyed man. Here, O sound like W. Therefore, A is placed before this word, not N. 6. Generalized use of the article A oblique N. A student should respect their teacher. An idle brain is the devil's workshop. Here, A oblique N has been used to generalize student and idle brain. A student and an idle brain respectively imply all students and all idle brains. 7. Why do the following names and designations have an indefinite article before them? A Mr. Deepak Rai came to see you, and Imran Khan is waiting for you in the lounge. Names of unknown persons or their designations take A oblique N to mean someone. Now, rules number 8. To describe people's job. Mr. Ahmed is a teacher. Miss Sharmin is an accountant. Shima wants to be a doctor. So, we use A oblique N for a type of job. Suppose here we can see teacher, the job accountant, and the job doctor. But we use the for a specific job oblique job title that only one person has. His father is the managing director of a country. Here's the example, that is, his father is the managing director of a country. Rules number 9. A oblique N in some exclamatory sentence. What an honest man is. What a splendid picture you have drawn. A oblique N is used in certain exclamatory sentence that begin with what to determine the noun of that sentence. 10. Some phrases have A oblique N. In a hurry, at a great speed, at an early date in a temper. The article a/n is used in a number of phrases. So, look with me, dear student. In number 10, we have some examples for you. In a hurry, at a great speed, at an early date, in a temper. Number 11. Why do the following names have indefinite article before them? Can you answer? Okay, I am giving you the answer. She is a Begum Rukia. I see. He is a Shelley of Bangladesh. He is an Ernest Hemingway of India. The article a/n has been used to denote likeness. Here proper noun has been used as a common noun. Okay, so I think she is like Begum Rukia. So she is a Begum Rukia. I see. I think he is like Shelley. So we can say he is a Shelley of Bangladesh. I think he is like Ernest Hemingway. We can say he is an Ernest Hemingway of India. So I think it will be clear for you. Now, dear student, here's some exercise for you. I am giving you the answer also. Complete the sentence with the correct word a/n. Example, yes, I saw an elephant. Yesterday, I saw a baby elephant. Tonight, I am going to watch a European film. Rohim will like to buy a car. Rohim will like to buy an expensive car. I met an honest man. Here, the students, we have already described the rules for you, and here the exercise with the rules. I think you can clearly answer this question and practice with your exercise book in your English for today book of second paper. Then it will be very much clear for you to know about article and to answer the exercise of article. Now, my dear student, that's all for today. I will come back in another class to you. Pray for me, and I will also pray for you to the Almighty Allah. Thank you, everybody.